How to install APK files on your iPhone? The short and simple answer is you cannot do it. However, there is a solution. It's not the end of the world. I will tell you the solution as well. But before starting the video, I will like to make things clear. So basically, APK files runs on JavaScript, and if you think that your iPhone supports JavaScript, then my dear friends, you are absolutely wrong, because your iPhone doesn't support JavaScript. JavaScripts are only supported in an Android. So what is the solution here? The solution is, as you can see, there is an alternative. So if you see here, it's called .ipa file. So this is basically APK files on your iPhone. It says as it is known as IPA. So this is exactly APK files, but in an, you can say, Apple version. APK files and IPA files works the same. So in order to install an APK file in an Android, what you need to do, just you just need to open the APK files. As you can see, this is an APK file. Just tap here and you get the installation button, and just tap the installation button and we are done. But in an in an iPhone, if you see here, it's an IPA file. If you tap here, boom, nothing happens. So things are not that straightforward in an iPhone. You will have to work a bit harder. So in order to install IPA files, there is a tricky process. The process is known as, you need to install site loading application. So how to do that? How to install site loading application on your iPhone? So I'm not going to make a separate video on that. You just need to go to your YouTube. You see, just go to YouTube and search for how to install site loading application on your iPhone. You will get a ton of videos on your YouTube. So let me show you where is the video. Okay, just wait a minute. How to install site loading application on iPhone. So there is a lot of videos. As you can see, this is one video. I will highly recommend you to watch this video. He makes genuine videos. And there is another video as well. You see, ton of videos. So what you need to do is just go to your YouTube and search for this, how to install site loading application on iPhone, or you can say how to install, you get it. No, you get it. So just search for this and you will find a ton of videos on the internet, and I'm pretty sure one of them will definitely work for you. Be aware, a lot of them are scams. Don't just get scammed by other. So just keep in mind, a lot of them are scammers. They are not genuine videos. So just go to YouTube and search for that, and at the end of the video you will be able to install IPA file. So this is pretty much it. So how to install APK files on your iPhone? You cannot do it. So there is an alternative, that's called .ipa files. So hope I was able to help you. Hope I was able to fix your problem. I hope. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope this video helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.